our Director of the Pineapple CDC, Lieutenant Colonel Martin Pininggoy, ma'am. Palakpakan po natin ang ating guest honor speaker. And of course, the very supportive Executive Vice President, Dr. Pedro P. Mastillana, sir. Palakpakan po natin ang ating Vice President. Ang ating video sponsor, Ma'am Professor Kat Raso. Okay, let us give a round of applause. And the major of the sponsor, Professor Lloyd Ecoto. Okay, para pa natin ang ating video. And of course, the members of the training staff headed by Lieutenant Peñaverde. Okay. Palakpakan natin ang ating the corps officers, the alumni. Nandito ba yung ating mga alumni? Pakita sa inyo mga alumni. May alumni na? Wala ba? Okay, meron. Nandiyan yung ating mga alumni. Palakpakan natin ang alumni. Hindi tayo nakakalimutan ng ating mga alumni. Nandito pa rin sila. Every time na mayroon tayo presentation, sponsor and candidate. And of course, the loved ones, the parents. At nandiyan ba yung ating mga parents? Pakita sa kamaya. Palakpakan natin ang very supportive loved ones na parents ng ating mga sponsors and support. Okay, the personnel from the 5 board. Nandito yung ating 5 board. Tayo nga para ma-recognize natin. Ayan yung ating mga taga-5 board personnel. RCDD. Wala, mayroon. RCDD. Okay kami. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It's an honor and privilege to welcome you all this momentous event. Sabi ko nga kanina, during the presentation of the sponsor, ito yung pinakahigit na yun ng isang cadet officers na magkaroon ng cadet school. Kanina, we are blessed and very lucky dahil napakaganda yung performance and napaka-successful yung ating pinakita during the presentation of sponsors and escort. That's why I would like to commend the corps of officers, the training staff for the job well done. Palakpakan natin dahil sa napakagandang activity na nakita natin during the presentation of sponsors. This is the most awaited event of every cadet officer as part of the customs and tradition of the corps of officers. Not only to build harmonious relationship with each other, but also to instill in themselves the values of being a good leader, carrying a high moral standard as they bloom their career in life, however big a humble. Sabi nga ng isang father of literature, kanina sinabi natin na behind of every great man, there is always a woman. Behind of every great man, there is a great woman. Napakagandang quotation na sinasabi na na-inspire ang ating mga cadet officers dahil sa ating mga sponsors. Yes, sir? Of course, yes. Ang ating option, di ba? Okay, we also take this opportunity to give utmost appreciation to our cadet school, which we have been doing all things. In every successful event, we have more memories and shared moment of success. Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us. Let us enjoy the night. Once again, welcome and good evening.
Thank you very much, sir.